Do you want to improve your English but don't know which YouTube channel is worth watching? So in this video I will share 3 best YouTube channel which I follow and improve my English. So this channel can help you to improve your listening skills, speaking, pronunciation, vocabulary and also grammar. So without wasting your and my precious time, let's begin. So the first channel is Volka English. In this channel, you will find real life situations English. He mostly creates vlog videos in English and he always creates comprehensible input techniques which we can learn English through his vlogs. So see friend, if you want to improve your English fast, you must watch vlogs videos because this is the fastest way to improve your English. So he creates vlog videos. For example, if he is in the kitchen, so he explains everything in English and he makes travel related videos and also I guess podcast, and he also shared some tips and tricks. I recommend this channel because he speaks slow, clear and easy to understand. So this channel is best for beginners. The second is BBC Learning English. Now you may know about BBC Learning English channel because this is very famous in the world. Yes, this channel is very famous in the world. So there is no one teacher, there are so many teachers who teach us English, and somebody told me about this channel. I had lack of vocabulary, so I asked him which channel should I watch to improve my English and grammar also. So he suggested me to watch BBC Learning English. Use this, I watch their videos to improve my vocabulary for my grammar. So I learned so many vocabulary from their videos. They not only teach us vocabulary but with example so that we can easily learn English. And the third channel is Shan English. Now this channel is also best channel for beginners. I have been following this channel since I started learning English. So they create animated cartoon videos in English, and when I watch their videos I feel like I'm watching movie or web series because their stories are very emotional and relatable. So whenever I watch, I really enjoy their videos. They also use very simple English, so this is also best for beginners. And one more channels I want to include here because I learned so many English from their channels. English Conversation and the handle name Daily English Conversation. So they used to create a web series like phone call English and how to ask question and give answers and shopping related English, travel related English. So they used to create different content. So why I am saying used to do, because today I searched their channel but I couldn't find. So if you can search on YouTube, and if you will find, then you should watch their channels, and I'm telling you, you will definitely learn so many things from their channels. So these were the channels which I was following and still I follow. Only channels alone is not enough. You have to speak for 10 to 15 minutes and learn daily use sentences or improve your pronunciation. And I shared about Volka English, so his pronunciation is very clear. You will easily learn English by watching their videos. So these were the channels. If you watch their videos, you will definitely improve your English. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English with Kavya for more learning English videos. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Till then, take care.